When the sun rises, I wake up and chase my dreams. I won't regret when the sun sets.
What's up, guys? It's Monday, 20th. No, just playing. It's not the 20th though. The 8th of August. I don't even know where I'm at. So, just driving around right now. Really don't have nothing else to do. I'm just getting ready to go to the gym. I actually went and did some paperwork at the bank, and right now I'm just going home. I'm actually gonna have my first meal. So yeah, that's really all I have done today. And I already took one of my friends, see what time is he able to go to the gym, because as you know, I like to go with someone just to get that little help, and you know. So yeah, right now that's all I'm doing. I'll probably go to Chipotle again, because I haven't been there. I've been saying I'm gonna go, but I haven't been there. So probably I'm gonna go to Chipotle today, because I'm craving that. And then I have a soccer game later on that I'm gonna go over there, so I'm gonna vlog that. So yep, that's all I have for today, man. And let's just hit this beautiful and entertaining traffic, man. Well, actually, there's not traffic now. There's just a lot of construction here in Dallas. If y'all can see, it's like those orange stuff everywhere. It's just crazy. But I guess you get used to it if you live in Dallas, so it doesn't matter. Alright, see you on I don't know where I'll see you, but I see you somewhere right now. Alright. What's up, guys? So just leaving the house to go straight to the gym. Actually, I have a back workout, so it's 3:30. Now for sure I know that we're going to be able to go to Chipotle, because we have a little time to spare. So we're gonna be able to go there, and then I have a soccer game at 7, so we're gonna go there too. Just get some cardio. And I don't know, man. You never know. I'll probably do something else. But it's Monday, so there's really nothing interesting about Mondays. Working or not, I still don't do nothing interesting. So I see what's coming. What will we do? What will we be doing? What? I don't even know what I just said. But yeah, man. There's really nothing going on now, other than hitting the gym. Yep. And I'm also gonna go to CVS to buy my water, because you know someone has to be hydrated. So now, actually today everybody's texting me why I haven't been at work, because I really didn't tell a lot of people, just like my really close friends, but the other ones didn't know. So people are basically contacting me on Snapchat, Facebook, just kind of like, what's going on, where you been. So you know, I had to explain to everybody what's going on, but it's all good. They will survive. Nah, it's still good. I mean, we can still go out on the weekends and stuff. Yep. So I'm actually gonna focus on driving now, because you never know, someone can have an accident, and hopefully it's not me, because that will suck. that after good ass Chipotle. We're gonna go play some soccer, just kind of to do a little bit of cardio. I see people kind of running around already, so I'm just gonna go over there. I'm gonna get myself ready. I already got everything here because your boy is always prepared. So I got my soccer cleats here and some shorts, and that's really all I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat that cardio up, and I'll go home, take a shower, and that'll be it. I really don't have nothing else planned, so let's see what's up. Alright guys, so this is the situation right now. I actually don't know what to watch, so I'm here deciding either do I watch an action movie or something to motivate me to go to the gym. So I was thinking about Rocky. Rocky 3, Rocky 1, Rocky 2. I don't know. Alright guys, it's actually time to eat some breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna cook, cause I like to cook, but I'm not like the greatest cooker. I'm actually pretty good, but I'll still have to figure it out. What's gonna be good and where I'm gonna be able to cook that tastes good and it's easy. So let's see what we have. So let me find out what's going on. Yo, what up guys? So I'll find out what I was gonna cook. So I'm going to cook sorry about the mess, but I'm cooking some egg whites with, well, I'm gonna mix that later. I'm gonna get some of this, turkey bacon, and regular eggs. So, I'm gonna spray this shit. And I'll turn on the light a little bit. So, what I like to do first is preheat the pan. I really don't count the I don't measure now my food. The reason is because why should I do it now? So yeah. So right now I'm breaking eggs because I like to mix eggs on my food. So definitely 2 eggs will go in. And yep, I'm just gonna mix that out, and that's it, man. Let's see.
Chances. I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it. I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it.
Night after day, after night, I work, hustle, and I fight. Might as well give me the throne that you inherit. And while you're at it, give me the badge, cause I'm the sheriff.
Everybody back up. I run this, I run this, I run this. I figure that I'm back Trump. I run this, 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 I run this.
Some people are walking blind, and other people.
2 eggs. Looks like a lot. But I'm actually cooking a lot right now because I'm gonna eat legs today. So I just need. I don't know about you guys, but I need a lot of nutrients. I can open this shit. I need a lot of nutrients and I need a lot of food to be able to do legs for some reason. If I just don't eat a lot, I just will not have a good workout. So that's where we at now. Let me see if I can open this shit. And my kitchen look like shit right now, but I don't know, I might clean it. I also have to get some pre-workout now. Whoa, nope, I cannot. So, yeah man, in case you would like to cook like this, it's not that hard. You use one pan, and you're done. Oh, and of course, I'm drinking water. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I already ate, or not ate, I drank a protein powder. Again, as y'all can see on my first vlog, I fuck with ISO 100 hydrolyzed whey protein. So I already drank that in the morning. So I'm just eating a lot of protein, not a lot of carbs, but I will add the carbs later on today. I just like my carbs to be more delicious. And protein, I just deal with it right now. And yep, I probably will not go to the gym till like two and a half more hours. So I'll probably have a little bit of this coconut premium popcorn. These are really good, but we'll see. We'll see. So this shit is done. I'm actually gonna go eat. And that's my food. It's hot. So, I might eat this. Water, and I'm gonna watch the movie that I chose. That's what we do. And then I'm gonna have to clean the kitchen because I don't wanna be yelled. I don't wanna get yelled at. Actually, so I just wanna vlog this. This is what I actually do. I had the movie over there, but this is what I'm really watching. Vlogs from Charles, Salvatore, or Travis, or Christian Guzman, and other guys. Wow, I keep eating. I'm almost done, so probably about to go buy a juice or something. And like I said, I like my carbs to be a little better, a little more tastier. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. So see you in a bit. Right now, just waiting on my car to be delivered. They actually they don't take that long here, but I still have to wait. I've been here for like 10 minutes. I was actually getting a massage right there. But right now, I'm just waiting for my car. After this, I think we're gonna go eat to somewhere with my family, and then we're gonna head to the gym. Yep. I think I'm only gonna go once today. I'm not gonna go twice. But tomorrow we'll see, because I also have a soccer game, so I possibly will vlog that. So. yeah, I also want to see. I want to go to Best Buy and see if I can check the cameras there, because I definitely want a vlog camera with the screen on top, so I kind of will not be messing up and vlogging my head or vlogging the side of my face. So yep.
Try to give me the badge, cause I'm the sheriff.
Everybody back up! I run this! I run this! I run this! I figure that I'm